Arnett Gardeners have jumped 4 places up to 7th in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League following their 1-0 win over Dunbeholden in their Monday night fixture at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Giovanni Taylor scored the winner in the 83rd minute, 13 minutes after coming off the bench. The win took Arnett to 7th on 26 points, just 1 outside of the playoff spots. The result also means they have ended a 3-game winless run.
Very pleasing, as I say, in front of the fans. The fan is very demanding, and I think tonight the youngsters, because as you saw, we started a lot of youngsters tonight, and they really soak up the pressure in terms of what the fans put on them, and also deliver.
According to Dunbeholden's coach Damian Gordon, the goalkeeping error was pivotal in their 2-game winning streak coming to an end.
I think we were in the game. I just think on the balance of things, it was even out with both teams. I just think that error in the last half of the game cost us the game.
New York-based football club Baisley FC recently visited the island to